Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I'm going to tell you that how to create MS Word document with different colors, formatting and editing. So for this, what I have done, I have taken a new page. After how to take the new page, go to the file option, click here, new option, and then click on blank document by which you can take the new file. First of all, I just want to increase the size as I have taken 20. Now my topic is typing. So I'm taking here typing. Just select it. After that, click here for keeping it in the center. If you want to increase the size, then click here. By this, you can increase the size as per your choice. So I just want to keep it till 36. After that, press enter. Then you just come down. I want to keep it to the left side. So this is the alignment option. Just click here. Then your cursor will come to the left side. Now I want to take the typing. So we will use equal R, A and D, shift 9 and shift 0. After that, you just press enter command. Then your typing will be here. After taking the typing, if you want to decrease the size, just select it. And with the help of this, you can decrease the size as per your need. In the same way, I want to decrease this one. Select it and decrease the size. So it's your choice that how much size you want. I'm pressing Control A for selecting all. And I want to keep my size 16. So now you can see it's coming in, like in one page. How it's coming in a one page? I select all. After selecting all, I click here and choose 16. Then my pages are decreased and it's come in a one page. Now click on typing. Increase the size. After this, I want to change the color. This is the color option. I'm changing the color green. I want to make it bold, italic, underline. I also want to change the style. So I'm clicking here and you can change the typing style. Now I'm just selecting this part. Whatever you want, how to select, click and then drag. No need to leave the click. Just click the mouse and then drag it. Now I just want to make it a little bit big and I just want to change the color. So let me take a little bit dark color. It's really, really light. Now it's here. In this way, you can create the typing page. In place of this, if you want, you can write official letter. That's your choice. You can write the official letter also. I think till here it's clear for you. Now just do one thing. Try yourself one time. After this, I just want to tell you how to take the numbers. For taking the numbers, first of all, again, I'm increasing the size so that it can be visible for you. Now, I just want to take the number. And for taking the number, what we will do, we will just click here on the home option. Click on this numbering. And now I'm going to type like code, enter, champ, enter, welcome, enter, learn, enter. Like this, it will come automatically. If you don't want numbers, you want bullets only, then no need to click on it. Just click here. Then the bullets will come. Again, I'm typing here. Welcome to CodeChamp. Again and again, if you will press enter, then it will come. These are the styles that which type of bullets you want, it will change in that. In place of this, if you want the number style, it will change in that. So that's your choice. Which one you want, you can choose that one. So in this way, you can choose bullet and numbering. If you want to keep it in the center, you can choose center command, left command, and the right command as per your need. If you want to increase the line spacing, then click here and then you can give the space between the lines. These and after this, if you want to fill the color, if you that just select all. After selecting all, just click here and use the color and it will fill the color. And then click here and use outside border. Then it will look something like this. So this is bullets and numbering. This is alignment. This is line spacing. This is paragraph filling. And this is border command. So just do till here. Then I will tell you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.